Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra English Medium School, affiliated to CBSE Delhi. The primary objective of learning in Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra reflects the real essence of Swami Vivekananda's vision and mission. We see that our young learners' hand, head, and heart works more efficiently and works together remarkably in a connected way. We believe that education is for originating a great human being, man-made nation building and promoting a peaceful world. The powerful character development with academic excellence is built here up to the highest level of humanity. Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra, an English medium senior secondary school with a group of schools in and around Bhubaneswar run under Lord Jagannath Mission Trust, Lakshmi Sagar, Bhubaneswar, a premier multi-activity based organization in the field of educational, social and cultural work. Managing Trustee Mr. Bairagi Charan Naik, the founder of Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra in the year 1981, with his endless effort till now 65 Odia medium and 15 English medium school are functioning under Lord Jagannath Mission Trust. He has the value of no compromise attitude for quality education in both favorable and unfavorable situation.
ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रु ए स्कूल रु बहुत पिला डाक्टर इंजीनियर ओएस ये सब पाइकरी ओडिशा रे काम करूछंती ओडिशा बाहर भी पिला मानकर चरित्र गठन ये अनुष्ठान रो मूल लक्ष्य पिला माने पाठ पढुछंती भल रिजल्ट करूछंती आगुरु हमर बहुत पिला बेस्ट रैंक रे पाइछंती ऑल इंडिया रे हम पिला 100% मार्क रखिकरी बहुत पिला कृतकार्य होइछंती ये पिला माने इठी गुरु शिष्य परंपरा नहीं इठी बापा माँ भली टीचर माने पिला मानकु पालुछंती स्नेह दउछंती आउ पिला मानकर पाठ हैला कि नहीं ताकु टिकिनिकी भाव नजर दउछंती जोथि में आमे सक्सेसफुल होई पारु.
Our aim and objectives. The first and foremost objective of Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra is to ensure the children to make them practical in every field. It is something more than the book and classroom teaching. To develop physical, mental, moral, intellectual value among students. To increase the feeling of integrity and patriotism among students. To make the students disciplined and improve punctuality. To increase the fluency in speech in different languages, to increase the habit of reading and improving the ability of self-learning, to create interest in song, music, art, craft, games and sports, assessment of academic and other performance throughout the year, provides interest in personality development, inception of the knowledge and thought in the young minds to make them competent enough to emerge successful on a global environment.
Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra, an English medium school imparting quality education and build the character of the students and providing knowledge, creativity for the all-round development of the students. And most emphasis is given to the traditional Indian culture for which the students will be exposed to the competitive world, and emphasis is given also for the result of standard 9 to 12 students.
Campus infrastructure. Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra has a wide area of campus surrounding with all greenery. The school building completely furnished with large classrooms, libraries, computer labs, science laboratories, washrooms, playgrounds, etc. Its campus is equipped with 24/7 electricity and pure drinking water. Classrooms. Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra classrooms are very spacious with bright surroundings. Classrooms have great ventilation so that students will not face any suffocation. Our classrooms are very clean and tidy with AC and non-AC classrooms.
The teachers here are very much experienced and skillful, by which we are able to clear our doubts and complete the lessons very easily. Along with studies, we have extracurricular activities, lab activities and many more, so that the students will remain mentally and physically strong.
Science Laboratory. The school has well-developed science laboratories in physics, chemistry and biology separately. Advanced scientific apparatus and chemicals are provided in the laboratory as per the requirement of the experiment. The technically qualified teachers and demonstrators helps the students to conduct the experiment as per the curriculum.
Education is a platform which makes it possible to defeat all the barriers. So, our school enhances and enables the students to achieve their success and their knowledge with all the facilities, and all the teachers are very experienced, and with the experienced teachers the students can achieve what they want to be.
Computer Lab. In the present context, with the development of technology, the school offers an intensive computer teaching with a computer lab consists of the latest version desktop with high-speed internet connectivity.
The platform where I stand today is a platform of my school. I love my school very much because I find myself under vision of a super talented, kind and cooperative teachers. They taught me a lot and have a passionate way of teaching.
Library. Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra have a great library facility within the campus. Our library contains academic books, general knowledge books, magazines, computer and research books, etc. Students from every class will have daily hours for the library, and students are allowed to use their free time in the library.
So here we are providing them not only teaching lessons, but also we are trying to develop their physical strength, mental ability and understanding skills.
Playgrounds. Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra has a vast playgrounds within the campus itself. Training is given to all the students in various sports such as cricket, football, badminton, etc.
In my school, I get many opportunities to participate in different type of co-curricular, extracurricular activities which hone my personality. Our school has a very good sanitation facility and everyone is very loving and caring here.
हमारे स्कूल में योगा बहुत अच्छी तरीके से सिखाया जाता है, जो कि हमारे शरीर के लिए बहुत उपयुक्त है। यहाँ की जो शैली है सिखाने की वो बहुत ही आसान है, आप बहुत ही आसान तरीके से इसे सीख सकते हैं।
Digital classrooms. As we stepped into the second decade of the millennium, we all believe that usage of technology has revolutionized the art of teaching across various disciplines and levels. Moreover, with teaching aids such as smart classrooms in interactive multimedia teaching content, students will understand the concepts and able to relate them to the real world.
We are coached here under the best administration of our school. I think every student who is studying here will be really fortunate to be here, and surely this school will be a pride of their life, as it is a fact that a good school classroom saves the destiny of our nation.
I never lose to say that my school is my second family because my friends and teachers are nothing less than my family.
Special classes for 11th and 12th students. Special emphasis is given to standard 11th and 12th students for their better result and to save them of building their careers. School provide them some special coaching classes with expert faculty for pre-medical entrances, KVPY, JEE Mains and Advanced, IISER and NIISER, etc.
Vivekananda School is helping me to be good person in the future because they help us to be a disciplined person, and they always tell to that work hard and you will be success one day.
Transport. Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra provides transport facility for the day scholar students. Our buses are well maintained with hygiene and good running condition. Transportation is provided to almost all the corners of the city and suburbs. Our experienced professional drivers and caretakers on the bus make sure that students are picked up and dropped safely. Our school takes the responsibility of your child until they step back to home.
The principal is a lady of honest and dedication. Surely, I am going to become the successful person that they are tried to be, and I am extremely proud to be a part of such a majestic school.
Hostel. Separate AC and non-AC hostels for boys and girls from Standard 6 to Standard 12 are provided by the school with requisite staffs for maintaining discipline, providing first aid help to the students, quality food of multiple varieties 4 times a day for hostelers with a big hygienic canteen, constant monitoring of the self-study of students by a team of dedicated teachers.
एकेडमिक एजुकेशनल फैसिलिटी आमर हॉस्टल फैसिलिटी सब जिनस बहुत भल दिया होची तो से रिलेटेड पई आमर एते सारा ब्रांचेस हो जाइछि ऑलरेडी आमर ओडिसा रे आउ एबे आमे रिसेंटली आमर वेस्टर्न ओडिसा रो पिला मानकू डेवलप पई सेठी भी बलांगीर रे भी गोटे ब्रांच करा को जाउ छु आमे
Scouts and Guides to develop self-confidence, helping nature and personality of students. The school has introduced Scouts and Guides. It increases the inclination towards community of work among the students.
Those students are come out in that institution as like as zero. Then whenever they come out on that institution as like as hero. So zero and hero, that is far difference between the students.
CC camera. Closed circuit cameras are fitted at different part of the school for maintaining security of the students.
जगन्नाथ मिशन ट्रस्ट रो बही पब्लिश करा जाउछि यही बही वर्तमान केवल जे विवेकानंद शिक्षा केंद्र ओडिसा रे चालुथिबा विवेकानंद शिक्षा केंद्र रो नाम अर्जन करिनी ओडिसा रे मध्य अन्य शिक्षानुष्ठान रे यही बहीर चाहिदा वर्तमान सुधा अछि.
Our mission is to enrich the students with the morality and thoughts of Swami Vivekananda, which makes the school special with ancient Indian spiritual value. So, the emerging students of the Vivekananda will prove themselves with a special identity.
Our school is growing day by day in a geometrical process in comparison to good and renowned schools in Bhubaneswar.
For taking admission from nursery to standard 12th, please contact Vivekananda Shiksha Kendra English Medium School, affiliated to CBSE Delhi, Road number 1, Jagannath Nagar, Mauja, Kordakanta and Jharpada. Post Buddheshwari Colony, Bhubaneswar, District Khordha. Contact 0674 233 3253 and 2333 Mobile 98612 32365 and 82495 46728.